1 year since the small town of Seneca was rocked by the police shooting in a fast food parking lot of an unarmed teenager, Zachary Hammond.
His name has now been attached to major settlements, legislative bills, and a Department of Justice investigation. Again, it's 1 year later. So what has changed over these 365 days? Brianna Smith gives you an inside look at video from that night that's never been broadcast before and what, if anything, has changed.
In 18 seconds, in the parking lot of a Hardee's in Seneca, the decision of two men changed their lives forever. In those 18 seconds, now seen countless times, Lieutenant Mark Tiller pulled his service revolver and points it at the car that Zach Hammond was driving. Hammond tries to drive away from the officer, and Tiller fires 2 shots, and Zach Hammond is killed. His car coming to an immediate stop.
He's trying to hit me. Stop him! He's shot! Get on the radio, shot fired.
10th Circuit Solicitor Chrissy Adams decided not to prosecute and wrote an 8-page letter defending that decision. Adams also addressed rumors that swirled during the SLED investigation, like officers high-fiving Zach's dead body, or Tiller telling colleagues that he would kill someone while in law enforcement. She says neither was credible. She also sought the opinion of experts from South Carolina's Criminal Justice Academy, saying Tiller should not have run up on Hammond's car the way he did. For the first time, we're showing you other video from that fateful night, surveillance video from across the street at a car wash, cell phone video, and dash cam for hours after the shooting happened, showing you just how long it took for them to render aid to Zach Hammond.
Hey, keep your eyes over.
And for the first time, we're hearing from Tori Morton. She's the reason that Hammond was there that night and the reason that police showed up, having accidentally texted them instead of her drug dealer. In Solicitor Adams' letter, she says that Tori repeatedly told investigators that Hammond was trying to run Tiller over, but all you can hear is this. Morton was held in a Seneca police car for nearly 3 hours before being driven to the police department, where she was immediately interviewed by SLED, giving this statement. Tiller, however, remained at the scene for hours, right next to the crime tape, talking to officers in groups and even individually. None of these conversations were documented in any way until he was interviewed with his lawyer 2 days later. A lawyer who taxpayers are helping pay for. More than $46,000 of taxpayer dollars have been paid to Tiller's attorney, and a private police support agency has paid for the rest. Taxpayers are also footing the bill for the $2.15 million settlement of the civil case that was filed by the Hammond family for wrongful death.
The settlement reached today is bittersweet. It will not bring Zach back.
So with a pending Justice Department investigation and a settled civil case, what really has changed in a year? Seneca police say they haven't changed a single word within their use of force policy, so the Hammonds tried to change the state law.
Someone has to experience some kind of pain in order to bring about change.
A bill that would force release of dashcam video failed after the wording was changed by the House. Lieutenant Tiller, who was immediately placed on paid administrative leave after the shooting, still remains there a year later, being paid roughly $39,000 to not perform any police duties while the DOJ investigates the decisions he made during that fateful 18 seconds.
It's never going to be over for us. There will always be an emptiness.
In Seneca, Brianna Smith, 7 News.
The Hammond family released a statement today about the anniversary. We've posted the full statement on WSPA.com.